back at you with another video.
Today we're going to be talking about wish makeup, specifically the cosmetics makeup, and this is the green palette. We've got some greens, some silvers, some blacks, and some browns. So we're going to be creating a look today that goes with our outfit, some navy blue pants, but we've got little green flowers in this crop top here. So I'm going to emphasize the bright green. My face is already pre-founded. My hair I'm going to be doing after this makeup look, and my brushes are already clean. Before I get into the actual makeup, I want to do my eyebrows. Now I want to do like a sort of smoky eye. Now I don't exactly know the steps to a smoky eye. I am not a makeup guru. I'm going to go with this sparkly color as a baseline. If you get it pigmented, just like it's down a lot, it will fall on your face. Because I have glitter all over my face right here.
We're queen, that's why there's glitter there, okay? No problem to me, you know?
Now we're gonna move on to the next color.
You win.
Super flaky.
So I would definitely blow on it unless you want glitter. Unless you want green all over your face. Glitter isn't that bad because you're a princess or you're a fairy, you're gonna sparkle. But, you know, green.
We don't want to be Shrek today.
Kayci inspired. Fight.
We are making a mess here, Mamita.
But it would be brighter, you know? Like, grab me by the titty brighter. Not purchase makeup on Wish, at least not Kamadu makeup. But you know, I haven't completely given up hope yet. I just learned that this color that I thought was like a black is actually a dark green. So I'm gonna go with that color and see if it can give me a little bit of dimension here.
This one isn't that bad.
A few moments later.
That's not attractive, Anita.
This one I looked at myself in the mirror and I thought, you just made a mistake. Now you gotta clean all of that up. Like, oh no.
Knockout. You win.
Okay, perfect. So we fixed it.
Kayci inspired.
This is my final look. I like to add these because they make me feel like I'm Battlestar Galactica. And I kind of pulled this out a little bit so it emphasizes the Battlestar Galactica look just a little bit more. But let's not stop there. I want to do something on my cheeks. So I will. Because you can play with it and you can try and come up with some weird, artsy, creative looks. You can totally do that. And it's like no bang, but a chicka wang. But if you want to do some bold ass makeup looks and actually be serious about makeup, I would 100% not recommend this product. It's not pigmented enough. It's way too flaky. So if you want to do like a wild makeup look for a party, it's going to take you forever and you will get extremely frustrated. Truth.
So that's it. This is the look.
You win.
Okay. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.